Welcome to Touch to Click. Today, we'll show you how to keep Toolbar always visible in Windows 11, so let's get started. Step 1. Right-click on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. This opens a menu to access taskbar settings quickly. Step 2. Select taskbar settings. Here you can adjust visibility and other taskbar options. Step 3. Scroll to taskbar behaviors and click the down arrow. This shows advanced display options. Step 4. Make sure automatically hide the taskbar is unchecked. This keeps your taskbar visible at all times. Step 5. If you don't see these options, right-click the Start button. It's another way to access system settings. Step 6. Select Settings. This app lets you manage Windows updates and preferences. Step 7. Go to the Windows Update tab. This checks for updates that can affect your taskbar. Step 8. Click Check for Updates to ensure your system is current. Updates can fix taskbar issues. Step 9. Restart your PC to apply changes. After restarting, your taskbar will stay visible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click.